Hello, math lovers. Here is what most tutorials never tell you about the famous 2 equals 1 proof. It is not just a cheap trick, but a historical window into how mathematics handles nothingness. Think of algebra like a perfectly symmetrical, balanced scale. As long as we add and remove weights evenly, the truth is preserved. For over a century, recreational mathematicians have used this algebraic illusion to stump students. We start by assuming A equals B. Through perfectly symmetrical operations, we multiply, subtract, factor, and cancel terms until we arrive at 2 equals 1. Suddenly, our perfectly balanced scale breaks. Where did we go wrong? The flaw hides in plain sight during the cancellation step. To see why, think of division by zero as a mathematical black hole. It violently compresses all logical information into a singularity, destroying the balance. The 7th century Indian mathematician Brahmagupta was the first to formalize zero, but even he struggled with dividing by it. When we cross out a minus b from both sides, we're actually dividing by a minus b. But remember our very first rule? We said a equals b. That means a minus b is exactly 0. When you divide by 0, the fundamental symmetries of algebra collapse. To truly understand why this breaks mathematics, we have to look at how multiplication by 0 works. Think of multiplying by 0 as passing a document through a paper shredder. Both a $2 bill and a $1 bill become completely identical piles of confetti. If 2 times 0 equals 0 and 1 times 0 equals 0, setting them equal gives 0 equals 0. If you are enjoying this mathematical mystery, hit subscribe to join our community of learners. Division is supposed to be the exact reverse process, but you cannot unshred the confetti to prove that a $1 bill is equal to a $2 bill. Let us visualize this geometric reality to see the exact point of failure. Think of these equations like 2 different trains traveling at completely different speeds. Just because both trains pass through the exact same central station at time 0, it does not mean their speeds are equal. Imagine plotting 2 distinct lines on a completely symmetrical graph, y equals x and y equals 2x. These lines represent our 2 different values. They clearly have different slopes, rising at completely different rates. The algebraic fallacy tricks us into looking only at the origin point where they intersect, and then falsely claims that the entire tracks are exactly the same. This is exactly why modern mathematics and computer science treat division by 0 with extreme caution. Think of mathematical axioms like the steel beams of a perfectly symmetrical skyscraper. If you allow just one contradiction, like dividing by 0, the entire structure collapses, allowing you to prove that any number equals any other number. If you try this trick in a programming language today, it will instantly throw a fatal exception rather than guessing. Mathematics is built on absolute consistency. By respecting the strict boundaries of 0, we keep the beautiful, balanced architecture of logic completely intact.